Are you undergoing a core conversion in your company? Or are you feeling unsure about how it's going to go? Hey, Brittany here with Screensteps, and core conversions are never easy. In fact, they can be so intensive that many financial institutions avoid undergoing core conversions if at all possible. A study done by ABA Core Platforms Survey in 2022 says that 42% of all banks say they are dissatisfied with their core processor. But despite their dissatisfaction, only 21% of banks actually make the switch to a new software. Luckily, there are tools and strategies to make it easier. So if you are preparing for a core conversion, stick around because in this video, I'm going to explain how Screensteps can help. Rolling out a core conversion can be a huge undertaking, and the biggest reason these can feel overwhelming is because there's no clarity around what needs to actually be built. Many financial institutions we work with often have little to no procedural documentation around what they currently do and how they do it. So when it comes time to creating new processes in a new system, it often feels like you are creating them from scratch and having to go back and fix things because you forgot something. The second biggest reason core conversions can feel overwhelming is that after it's built, it is challenging to train employees on how to use the new system. And supervisors often bear the brunt of the responsibility, tasked with not only having to learn a whole new system, but also having to constantly step in and train and retrain staff. In fact, supervisors who may have seen past conversions fail panic, worrying they'll be in a worse position than they were before the core conversion. If you are requiring employees to memorize procedures in a new system, it will often take several months, maybe even more than a year, to re-memorize all of the new clicks. Which leads us to Screensteps, a solution that includes software and a framework to keep operations turning, despite a major core software overhaul. When it comes to gaining clarity around your current policies, processes, and procedures, the Screensteps platform includes tools that will help you quickly document how to do everything, which in turn will help you properly plan your core conversion. Then, combining the Screensteps platform along with the Find and Follow framework, you will create resources that you will train employees with when you roll out the new core conversion. Using foundational courses and clear digital guides, your employees will know how to use the new system so that they can work independently without constant supervision. Everyone will hit the ground running when the core conversion is implemented. Alright guys, I hope this video made core conversion look a little less scary. Screensteps, along with the Find and Follow framework, makes the process go smoother, faster, and feel less stressful for everyone involved. By having your processes in order before the conversion and by creating the right resources for training employees after the conversion, switching to a new software will be easier than ever. Reach out to a Screensteps team member today to learn more about how we can help you successfully manage your core conversion. Thanks, and don't forget to like and subscribe.